In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out of OneDrive. This quick and easy process will take you through all the necessary steps to ensure a seamless logout. Whether you're looking to switch accounts or simply want to disconnect your account from a particular PC, I've got you covered. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to locate the OneDrive cloud icon in your system tray. This is typically found in the taskbar at the bottom of your screen near the clock and other system icons. If you can't see it immediately, you might need to click on the little upward arrow to reveal hidden icons. Once you've spotted the OneDrive icon, give it a click. Now you should see a pop-up window appear. Look towards the bottom right of this window and you'll see a Help and Settings icon. This icon usually appears as a gear or a question mark with a gear. Go ahead and click on it to open a menu of options related to your OneDrive settings. Next, from the menu that appears, you'll want to select Settings. This will open up a new window dedicated to various settings and configurations for your OneDrive account. Here you'll find several tabs that help you personalize your experience, but today we're focusing on logging out. Click on the Account tab within the Settings window. This tab houses information and options related to your OneDrive account connection. You'll see details like the amount of storage you're using and the accounts linked to OneDrive. Within the Account tab, you'll find an option labeled Unlink this PC. This is what you need to disconnect your account from the current device. Clicking this option won't delete any of your files from OneDrive, it simply removes the link between your account and this particular machine. Finally, after you click Unlink this PC, the system will prompt you to confirm this action. A pop-up confirmation window will appear, asking if you're sure you want to unlink your OneDrive account. Confirm by clicking the appropriate button, usually labelled Unlink Account or Yes. And that's it, you're signed out. It's important to note that unlinking your PC means your files will no longer automatically sync between the device and OneDrive. However, your files will still be safely stored in your OneDrive account, accessible through the web or any other devices you're signed into. And there you have it, a simple way to sign out of OneDrive whenever needed, ensuring your account remains secure and accessible only where you want it to be. Thanks for tuning in, and feel free to reach out in the comments if you have any questions or need further assistance. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides and tech tips. See you in the next video.